Is your furnace older than a ghost story? I'm Adam from RX Comfort Heating and Air Conditioning, and I'm on the hunt for West Michigan's oldest furnace. Now, the winner of this contest is going to get a brand new furnace, installed, no strings attached. It's simple. Snap a pic of that creaky old relic in your basement, tell me its story, approximately how old it is, and you might be actually heating your house with something that isn't from the last century. Like me. Entries will vanish on November 1st, so get them in soon. If you missed this, it may haunt you. Show us what's lurking in your basement.